In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently download a high-resolution logo using Canva. Whether you're designing your brand's logo or simply need a clear image for various uses, ensuring that you have the right format and quality is essential. Let's dive into the process, which is both simple and straightforward. Start by opening up your Canva project. This is essentially the workspace where you've been working on your design. Canva is a fantastic tool for graphic design novices and experts alike, providing an easy platform with drag and drop features. It facilitates the process of designing for social media, presentations, posters, and of course, logos, which is our focus today. Once you're in your project, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right part of your screen, where you'll find the Share button. This option serves multiple purposes beyond just downloading, such as sharing your design with collaborators or viewers. For our task, however, select Download from the drop-down menu. This will lead you into a dialog box that offers numerous options. You'll see settings like file type options, which are crucial for getting the output you need. For your logo to be high resolution, it's vital to select the right file type. In this instance, you should choose PNG. Why PNG? Well, a PNG file is often the best choice for logos because it maintains quality without sacrificing detail, unlike JPEGs, which may compress the image and lose details during the process. Also, PNGs support transparent backgrounds, which is essential for logos that may sit on various background colors or images. While you're still in that dialog box, take a moment to check the option that says Transparent Background. This is an especially important step if your logo is expected to be versatile across different media. By ensuring the background is transparent, you're making your logo adaptable for different uses without any unintentional white or colored background framing it. Once you have ensured that these settings are in place, PNG selected, transparent background checked, go ahead and confirm the download. Your design will be processed, and in a few moments, your high-resolution logo will be saved to your device, ready for use in presentations, websites, or anywhere else you might need it. In summary, downloading a logo in high resolution from Canva is all about choosing the right options to suit your needs. Selecting PNG and making sure your design has a transparent background will ensure that your logo looks stunning and professional, no matter where you decide to place it. And just like that, you're done. With just a few clicks, your design is ready to elevate your brand's visual identity. Thank you for watching and happy designing.